Applying Marabu ClearShield by hand is a simple and effective way to protect your prints. However, like any process, it can sometimes present challenges. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common issues and how to solve them, ensuring a smooth, professional finish every time. One of the most common problems when hand applying ClearShield is streaking or uneven coverage. To avoid this, start by ensuring your applicator is fully saturated. Dip your 1/4-inch low nap roller into ClearShield and then lightly tap off any excess to prevent overloading. Use long, smooth strokes in a north and south direction. Do not push down on the roller. Only use the weight of the roller when applying. Ensure that you continue to keep the roller fully saturated during application. Once completed with the north and south application, smoothly apply a light application in the east and west direction. If you see any roller marks in your application, remember, all ClearShield products have self-leveling chemistry to ensure a smooth, glass-like appearance. Bubbles in the coating can occur if the applicator is moved too quickly or if ClearShield is shaken before use. Always hand mix and stir ClearShield gently instead of shaking it. If bubbles do form, let the product rest and allow bubbles to work themselves out. Drying too quickly can lead to uneven edges or visible lines in the finish. To prevent this, work in a dust-free environment with consistent temperature and humidity. Avoid direct sunlight or drafts, as these can speed up drying unevenly. Work on smaller sections of the print to maintain a wet edge. Here are a few final tips for success. Always clean and prepare your print surface before applying ClearShield to remove dust or debris. Use a high-quality foam roller or applicator for best results, and make sure to allow the coating to dry completely before handling the print. With these troubleshooting tips, you can achieve a smooth, professional finish every time you use Marabu ClearShield liquid laminates. Need more help? Check out our website at marabucoatings.com or reach out to our team of experts at 888-893-4668. Happy laminating!